Welcome to the reaction world, chemical world. So today here we are going to learn the chemistry topic from the standard 9th standard, and the topic is matter around us. So in this the learning objectives are introduction of matter, physical state of matter, characteristics of particles of matter, compressibility and diffusion. So here, before going to start the topic, before going to start the chapter, first of all we have to learn what is the meaning of the topic name. So here the topic is matter around us. So already we know what is the meaning of around us. So around us means the surroundings. And come here, matter. So we have to learn about what is the matter. So matter, to know about the matter, first of all, look at your surroundings. So in your surroundings, you can see so many objects and so many things. And in the things, you can see the two different types of things. One is the living and non-living. And objects, so the chalk piece, it's an object, stone, wood. So you can make so many things like pen, pencil, eraser, book. So everything comes under the objects. But here, in the early times, they are trying to understand about the surroundings because they want to know about what are the particles. So when they are going on studying about the surroundings in earlier Indian philosophers, so here they studied about the matter, and the matter is classified into 5 basic elements. So what are the 5 basic elements here? Air, earth, fire, sky, water. So these are the 5 basic elements, and that one we call it as Panchatattva, and in Sanskrit we call it as Panahatattva. So the meaning of this is Panch. So Panch means in the Hindi we call it as Panch. Panch indicates 5. So Panch means 5. 5 number of Tattva. Tattva means it's an element. So it's an element. So the meaning of this is 5 elements. So this is called the Panchatattva. In Telugu we call it as Panchabhutan. And come back to here, in the modern days, so scientists, what they did, they also studied about the matter, and they said that matter consists of physical states. So what are the physical states here? Solid, liquid, gaseous, plasma, both, Einstein, condensates. So here, in this our topic, this particular topics are not there. These two are not there in our syllabus. So we are going to learn only the basic physical states, that are the solid, liquid and gaseous. Okay, so now here the question is, what is matter made up of? Now till now we understand that according to the earlier time, Panchatattva, that is the Panchabhutalu, 5 elements are present. And coming to the modern days, we understand that matter consists of 3 important states. Then what is matter made up of? So here the matter made up of with a small tiny particles. Like example, suppose you can see the mountain. Take that this is a mountain. So in this mountain, can you see the small tiny particles? So this tiny particles is known as matter. The same way think that this is the water or river or something you can guess it. So here also you can see the small tiny particles are present. So this tiny particles is also called a matter. The same way, think that your mother is boiling some water and you can see some vapor is taking place. So in this vapor also the small tiny particles are present. So this tiny particles are also called as a matter. So finally, what we understand, matter is made up of a small tiny particles. Okay, so that small tiny particles only we call it as an atom. And at present, we know that atom is made up of a small tiny particle. But in the previous time also, in the year 1900, they said that, the scientists have studied and they said that atom is made up of only one minute particle. But later, Okay, so in this modern day also, in the modern day we understand that even in the water, there are small tiny subatomic particles. So that is known as, we know the electron, proton and neutron. So this we are going to learn later. But here, I hope that up to here you understand. So today, what we learn? Introduction of the matter. In the introduction of the matter, we learn about the Panchatattva in the modern, in the previous time. And you studied about the modern days of the scientists, learn about, said about the matter. And it consists of physical state. Now, in the physical state, solid, liquid and gases. And we studied about what is matter made up of. And matter made up of, it is small tiny particles. And the small tiny particles are known as atom. Now, in the small tiny particles, just now I said that it is a matter. So that matter consists of small tiny particles. Up to here, you learn about that matter consists of small tiny particles. So because of the small tiny particles, you can see the size, shape and textures of the particles. Like just now we discussed about a mountain, so which comes under the solid state, okay, which comes under the solid state, and a river, water or something, water which comes under the liquid state. Okay, and gaseous state, liquid changes into vapor. So that all the things comes under the solid, liquid and gases. Now let me talk about some more examples of the solid, liquid and gases. Now, can you tell me the example of the solid? Yes. So box or pen, or chalk paste. So this all the things comes under the solid state. Now in the liquid, kerosene, milk, petrol. So this all the things comes under the liquid state. Now in the gaseous state, you can take the example of LPG gas, CNG gas. Okay. So now let us see the liquid state. You can see that milk is present, petrol is present. So now see the difference here. Suppose I took the glass of milk and just wait for 2 minutes. So no changes takes place. The size of the volume of the milk will be the same. But the same glass, if I take the petrol, after few minutes you can see the petrol will be evaporated. So why it is happening? Because of the property. What properties? Property or properties. The same way you will see LPG gas and CNG gas. LPG gas we are using in the household. Means for the cooking purpose we are using the LPG gas. But we are not using this. Why? Because of the property. And the same way you can see the duster and you can see the wood. So here also both are looking the solid. Both comes under the solid. But here the properties are different. See here, if I compress here, it's not happening. But if I compress here, it is happening. Why? Because of the property. So here, by this what you understand? Not only you have to learn about the physical states, even you have to learn about the properties of solid, liquid and gases. So next section we are going to learn about the properties of solid, liquid and gaseous. Now it's the time for question. Now tell me, book, wooden box and noise. So now I given the three options here: word, book, wooden box, noise. So this three comes under the matter. Can you say? Yes. So now come back to the book. It comes under the matter because it is occupying the space. Occupies the space and has the substances which occupy the space and has mass and volume. So book comes under the matter. Now come back to the wooden box. So it is also a matter because wood also is occupying the space and it also have a mass. So here it also have the volume. So it comes under the matter. But what about the noise? You are talking, I am talking here, I am speaking here. So here it comes under the matter? No. Okay, so it doesn't come under the matter. So this is about your today topic.